and share and subscribe and like.
Video, we will see how we can apply Monge's method to solve problems. Here, what is R? R is nothing but del 2z by del x square. Small s is del 2z by del x del y, and small t is del 2z by del y square. And we know that we have already seen how we have calculated the value of small r in terms of p and s. This is equal to dp minus s dy divided by dx, and t is equal to dq minus s dx divided by dy. So we put this value in the given equation. If we put this value in the given equation, we have dp minus s into dy divided by dx equal to a square into dq minus s into dx divided by dy. Cross multiplication, uh, let us do the cross multiplication. Dp into dy minus s dy square equal to a square into dq into dx minus s into dx square. Dp dy minus a square. Okay, so take this term, all this term to the left side, dq into dx, and minus s is common, suppose minus s dy square, so this will be plus, but due to minus, this is minus a square into dx square equal to 0. And from these two we get the Monge's equation. What are the Monge's equation? First part is equal to 0, that is dp into dy minus a square dq into dx is equal to 0. This is equation number 1, suppose. And second equation, dy square minus a square into dx square is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Now from equation number 2 we easily have the value dy minus a into dx, this is first factor, and second factor dy plus a into dx is equal to 0. So we have dy minus a dx equal to 0, equation number 3, and dy plus a dx equal to 0, equation number 4. Now integrating equation 3, directly if we integrate, integration of dy is y minus a into integration of a dx is x is equal to integrating constant capital E. Now from equation 3 substitute this value 3 and 1. Let us apply 3 and 1. If we put this value of dy in equation 1, dp into a dx, we are substituting the value of dy minus a square dq into dx equal to 0. Look at this, dx common and cancel, a and this a square common and cancel, we get dp minus a into dq equal to 0. Okay, so integrate this. Integration gives us p minus a into q is equal to b, right? This is suppose this is equation number 6, since this equation is a 5. Okay, so from 5 and 6, what we get here, we have p minus aq equal to f1 of y minus ax, function of f. Let us call it as equation number 7, right? So I will write here separately this equation, since we need this equation, therefore we write this equation separately. So what is my equation number 7? Equation number 7 is p minus aq equal to f1 of y minus ax. This is 7. Now see equation number 4. If we integrate the equation number 4, what we get? Integration y plus a into x is equal to integrating constant c, suppose, call this equation number 8. Okay, now substitute that value in equation number 1, dy. Dy, if we put in equation number 1, dp minus a into dx minus a square dq into dx is equal to 0. Dx cancel, a square cancel, minus minus plus, so we have dp, all terms will be plus, dp plus a into dq equal to 0, and integrating this, we get here p plus aq is equal to d, and from this is equation number 9, and from this 8 and 9 we can write and another relation, p plus aq is equal to f2 of y plus ax. This is an equation number 10. Okay, now let us solve this equation number 7 and 10. If we add these two equations, equation number 7 and equation number 10, then so you can see that we have value of p, we get a value of p. Addition of these two gives me 2p equal to addition. Okay, so firstly we add the adding this, so addition of this 2p equal to f1 of y minus ax plus f2 of y plus ax, and this gives me p equal to 1 by 2 into f1 of y minus ax plus f2 of y plus ax. Now subtraction gives me, if we subtract this equation, we get minus 2aq equal to f1 of y minus ax minus f2 of y plus ax. Okay, so q equal to 1 divided by 2a with minus sign, f1 of y minus ax minus minus plus 1 divided by 2a f2 of y plus ax. Now we put this value in the expression z equal to p dx plus q into dy equal to, what is my p? P equal to 1 by 2 f1 of y minus ax plus 1 by 2 f2 of y plus ax whole multiplied by dx into dx, and q, my q is here plus minus 1 by 2a f1 of y minus ax plus 1 divided by 2a f2 of y plus ax into dy. So friend, we take 1 divided by 2a common. If we take 1 divided by 2a common and f1 of y minus ax, then here let us take minus common, then you can see that if we take minus common we have dy minus a into dx term here. Okay, and plus 1 divided by 2a, 1 divided by 2a f2 of y plus ax into dy plus a into dx. Okay, so this is a derivative, this may be derivative of another function, and we write that function as another function. Suppose uh, this is like this 1 divided by, and this is another function, this is plus value, so therefore we consider this as a first term, and we have here 1 divided by 2a phi 1 of y plus a into x, and 1 minus 1 divided by 2a phi 2 of y minus ax. Okay, so when we integrate this we get another function of y plus ax and another function of y minus ax. This is the solution of Monge's equation.
Hello guys, thank you for watching video.